Hi there, students. Deus ex machina. Deus ex machina. Okay, this is a noun, a countable noun. I guess in plural, Deus ex machinas, or even Dei ex machina. Yeah? Okay, this is something that they use in plays and films. This is a resolution to a story. Yeah, a way to finish a story, which is very improbable. It's like God suddenly comes down and resolves the whole situation. Yeah, it's a way to resolve a story, and maybe it doesn't really think about the internal logic of the story. It's just something that resolves the problem. I think very often authors use a Deus ex machina ending to finish a story in the way they want to finish it, even though it's very probable and very unlikely. So I think they couldn't find a way to resolve the film, so they invented a Deus ex machina solution. I don't know. Let's see. I remember there's certainly a science fiction book I read where you've got all the aliens arrive and they conquer the Earth, and then suddenly, I think it was a film, they discover that the aliens can't get wet. And that's how they solve the solution. I think War of the Worlds by H.G. Wells, this has a Deus ex machina solution where the aliens are destroyed by a virus. I suppose it's possible. Yeah, but this is a very Deus ex machina solution. You suddenly find some wonderful artificial device to resolve the problem. Yeah, something magic that suddenly provides a solution to the story or to a situation which seemed just totally impossible. Yeah, you just don't really believe it's going to happen. And this is the idea of a Deus ex machina solution, an unexpected event or an unexpected power that comes to save a hopeless situation. Yeah, especially as a way to contrive the end or the resolution to a problem or to a solution. Let's see, Deus ex machina. Formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 to 7. I think you could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation, better in a semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, well, it comes from Latin. Well, it is Latin. It means God from a machine. Yeah, and the origin of this is it used to be a machine that would bring an actor playing a god onto the stage, or either through a trapdoor or you lower him by a crane or something. And itself, it actually comes from ancient Greek, apomekthenes, theos. Yeah, a god comes from the machine. And effectively, suddenly a machine produces a god, and that resolves the problem. But it's actually, a god in Greek or Roman drama that was brought onto the stage by a machine to intervene in a situation, to untangle the issues, to resolve the crisis. But I think generally if you say Deus Deus ex machina in English. You're criticizing the ending, or you're criticizing this bit. You're saying it's a bit unoriginal. It sounds like the author just wanted to finish there. He couldn't find a way of developing the end of the story, so just some magic solution. I'm wondering what the difference between a plot twist and Deus ex machina is. I think a plot twist is something that adds to the story. It gives you some unexpected thing that explains the story. It's something that adds to the story, and it makes it more interesting. Whereas Deus ex machina, it's just some sort of magic solution, and it was all a dream. I guess that's a Deus ex machina solution as well, to justify everything that's gone before. Normally, though, a plot twist alters the story. Yeah, maybe it reveals that all of the characters were dead anyway, but you didn't realize this. Deus ex machina is just a weird way to provide a solution to something that is unfinishable. Yeah. So, Deus ex machina. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Deus ex machina.